What if you had sea views in a fully gated community, just 3 minutes from Nueva Andalucía and 10 minutes from the Golden Mile? Well, welcome to Lomas de La Quinta, a beautiful neighborhood surrounded by nature and golf and fully gated. This brand new 6-bedroom villa, which has recently been built, really ticks all the boxes. And what's best is that the interior design has been set so that the new owners can customize it to their liking. Let's have a look. As we come into the home, apart from seeing this large oversized wooden door, we have panoramic views straight out to the sea. This home is distributed across 3 levels. So we have 3 bedrooms on the upper level, 2 bedrooms on this level, which one is currently an office but can be refitted of course, and then 1 more bedroom on the lower level. But let's have a look in the kitchen and see that. So what I really love about this kitchen is the position being on the east wing of the property. What does that mean? That we have the sunrise in the morning just coming over the mountain edge. As we move outside to the terrace, you can of course see we have a dining area, and check out these views behind me. One of the unique things about being in this area is that all that you see around, apart from the developments that are existing of course, is rural, meaning that there's no more construction that can be permitted to happen. So you're always going to be having these views around you. At the end of the large saltwater infinity pool, we have a jacuzzi and the general lounge area. But what's also very nice about this property is the privacy, because you're not having any neighbors looking into you. Even though you do have a few neighbors around you, you still have the privacy to yourself. Let's go back inside. So we have the double height ceilings here, which is a wonderful feature to this property, especially because we're having so much natural light coming through all directions of the house. Going through one of the bedrooms, we have this one here, which is one of my favorite bedrooms, I have to say, because you're right next to the pool. Ensuite bathroom, nice, spacious guest suite or kids room. Continuing on, we have the 2nd bedroom. Currently, it's set up as an office, as you can see, corner view of the house, and this can as well be set into a bedroom, again with an ensuite bathroom and fitted in wardrobes. And what I really like is in seeing everything is matching in the property. And of course, there's not a lot of furniture in the house, but this is a good thing because that means you can give it your own personal touch, which is not always the case. Let's check out upstairs. On the 2nd level, we have wood floor all around, 3 bedrooms, 2 here and 1 here. 1st bedroom on this floor on the west wing. We have this room, which could be considered a prime suite or a secondary prime suite. It's really by choice. Wardrobes all around, open shower, and finally, views from the private terrace. Continuing on this level, we'll start here, going into the primary suite. We have a nice little separation going on here. Wardrobes on both sides and a little Juliet overlooking, let's say, how do you call this? A little balcony looking over to the living room area. It's a little cute feature, but of course can be shut off. Then the views, of course, straight out to the sea, wrapping around to the ensuite bathroom. Go across, have a look. Double vanity, walk-in shower, bathtub with the views out. Finally, we have the 3rd bedroom, which can be a nursery, can be set in this different bedroom. It's open. The architect has really tried to think about the distribution to fit all different kind of families and their needs. So it's really well thought out in my opinion. And again, we have a walk-in shower, separate loo, and then access separately back into the main level of this floor. Moving upstairs to the Solarium level, we have one area that can be used as a herb garden, which is not very common at all, but again, another nice feature. Then wrapping around, we come into this area, which could be set up as an exterior kitchen with a barbecue, sink, everything fitted and covered here, so we can set up a nice dining table and have lovely barbecues on nice evenings. Back on the ground floor, one thing I forgot to mention earlier is we have this space here. What is it? Actually, it's the pre-installed elevator shaft. From the lower level up until the solarium, everything is opened up, making it easier to do an installation for an elevator for those who wish. Moving downstairs to the lower level. Beautiful stairs coming down, nice and minimalistic. We actually have a garage right behind me, which you can fit very comfortably 2 large cars, or potentially maybe even 3 to 4 smaller cars, minis, I would say. What's very nice about this lower level is, yes, you can see it empty, but that gives you the flexibility to be able to set up what you want. We have on one side over here is a area fitted already, ready to fit in a kitchen. We have a guest bathroom, smaller. Then we have a separate bedroom on this level here with its own bathroom and ample space. This means that you can set up a cinema area, shut it off. You want to have a gym in this area, for example, and have the natural light coming in from the pool. Great, loads of flexibility, so you can do what you want, what feels best to your needs. And on top of everything else is, yes, we're in a lower level, but look how much natural light we have, because we have straight out to its own garden, flat, that wraps around the house, and we have its own separate entrance coming in from the driveway. So I would have to say that this house has really, really good distribution laid out. Very, very thoughtful from the architect's perspective. And then we even have this space here. Right now, it can be used as a storage room, but actually the idea with this is to have it as a cinema room by shutting off the wall there and having this already set up, everything ready to go at your needs. Then of course we have ample space for at least 2 large cars or smaller cars, as I mentioned before. And as we go back round into the house, we have over here your separate entrance, a nice little feature, straight into your driveway, cute little fountain, and of course your garage. At a price point of 4,695,000 euros, what do we get? We have 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 1,377 square meters of a plot, of which 764 square meters are built. You have your private pool, solarium, private garage, an entertaining area downstairs to use as you wish, and all of it in a gated community in Lomas de La Quinta.